Well, on behalf of the Bureau of Reclamation, I'd like to welcome you to the Nevada wing of the Hoover Dam Power Plant. That's quite a view, isn't it? Behind me is the Colorado River and the Arizona wing. On the Nevada side, we have 8 commercial generators. On the Arizona side, 9 commercial generators for a total of 17 generators. Each can produce 130 megawatts for a total of 2,080 megawatts. Ladies and gentlemen, that's enough power to supply over 1.4 million homes. Each generator is 70 feet tall. You only see the top 30 feet. 40 feet below the floor, you'll find the Francis-type reaction turbine or water wheel. That's where the water from the penstock pipe comes in, spins the turbine at the bottom, which then spins a 65-foot-long steel shaft at 180 RPM. You might be able to see one of those shafts lit up at the top of the first generator. The shaft then spins a rotor at the top. Each one of these rotors has 40 electromagnets. Each one of those 40 magnets weighs 4 tons. Those magnets spin inside a stationary coil of wire located in the outer red casing of the generator. The magnets excite the electrons on that wire, producing electricity. Also on the bay floor in front of you, you'll see a rust-colored object embedded in it. That's one of 2 pelted water wheel generators. The other one is located in the Arizona wing. They'll each produce 2.4 megawatts, and they supply all of our in-house power, including the power from the lights, the elevators, the visitor center, the entire dam. Now looking up, spanning the top of this wing, you'll see 2 green bridge cranes. These are the original cranes. They run on tracks the full length of this wing. The one closest to us proudly displays the American flag. The other one is located all the way down the other end. Now each of these cranes can lift up to 300 tons. To give you a visual, the Statue of Liberty, New York, weighs 225 tons. That's still not enough to lift one of our rotors. One rotor weighs almost 600 tons. In order to lift that rotor, both cranes are combined to create a super crane that can lift more than 600 tons when necessary. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is my opportunity to find out how lost or not lost you are. From where you're standing, where do you think the dam is? Where's the dam? Point to it. Over here, this way, over here. That way, down there, over here. Alright, well, I got a whole bunch of wrong answers. A few right answers, definitely not yours, man. Definitely not yours. It's behind you guys, to my right behind that wall. Most a lot of you got that right. I just know the dam is 450 feet big. That's really good thing, because the water's above our heads 400 feet on the other side of the dam. The dam at its base is 660 feet thick. So, if we were going to measure from that wall all the way to the end of this wing, that distance would be 650 feet. We'd still need to add 10 feet to that distance to get the thickness of the dam at its base. Wow is right. That's a lot of concrete. Now looking down at the floor you're standing on, you see our beautiful marble terrazzo floor. We have about 121,000 square feet of stone facility. You'll also see a completely covered the bay floor in front of you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the Arizona wing is almost a mirror image of the Nevada wing. All of this floor, the floor on the Arizona side, was installed by the Martina family between 1936 and 1937 for a cost of just under $60,000. That's right, I said 60,000. Ladies and gentlemen, to replace this floor today, millions and millions of dollars. I'm not sure if it'd be done this way. As a matter of fact, it's 3.5 inches thick. All of the inlays were designed by the artist Alan Tupper True. They each represent functions of the dam, water, power. For instance, the inlay I'm standing above represents power with an outlet or wall socket. The big round one behind you guys over here represents water, with water spinning a turbine. There are many more inlays throughout the facility, all just a little bit different. Usually located in front of a point of interest like an elevator, stairwell, or doorway. Now, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I'm going to make my way back to the door where we came in, waiting for me there.